biology and medical specific projects. So a lot of the time when you hear biology or medicine, you may immediately think people working with lab goggles, lab coats, and being at a lab bench mixing chemicals, working with bacteria and everything. And while that is a big part of research now for college students and then graduate students and beyond, we're seeing a lot of different opportunities for students doing science fairs specifically. So students in both middle school and high school can work on multiple different projects. So we have experimental and observational biology where you can use microbiology models, yeast, plants, and bacteria, kind of surrogates and model systems. Don't need access to a wet lab for that. You can also do nutrition, metabolism, and lifestyle experiments, and then environmental biology as well. So that's just one section that you can do. If you're focused on people specifically, you can also do medical and health focused specific topics. So like disease modeling for really gnarly diseases that affect a majority of the population, like diabetes and cancer, as Gopi mentioned earlier, and how you phrase that is extremely important. Another thing that is new and upcoming and really important for industry is drug mechanisms and molecular targets. So new ideas for treatments, diagnostics, and then also we can go farther than just people specific too. We can do sports science, injury prevention, work on the environmental side, and work through Genius Olympiad. And then there's also a whole other section for data-driven and then computational biology. So using DNA and RNA sequences, microbiome and health data, and then AI-driven drug discovery and simulations as well. It's really important to kind of think of this as a whole option, and you don't just have to cure cancer, as Gopi said. There's so many different options that I want to talk through, and if it's something that you are interested in, if you're a student or parents, you've heard your students get excited about a topic like this, we can kind of help create something that is manageable and that they'll be able to have access to. So you don't need a university lab to do real biology or medical research. And what really matters the most, which Gopi kind of touched on, is the quality of the question, logic of the scientific design, and then strength of the analysis. So is the student really understanding what they're knowing and how it's going to apply to real world situations?